Mama? 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 Mama?
Here you go. Is it good, man? It's good. It tastes good? Alright, so Cameron gives a thumbs up for the apple and cinnamon sauce. See how he likes the apple and pear. It's coming, man. Just hold on. It's coming. Is it good? It's good. It's not good. Well, he nodded, but he's still eating it, so I guess it's good. Is it good, Cameron? Is it good?
That'll do.
He said it's yeah. It must be good because he's eating it. This is a mango, carrot, and banana pear. It's not an applesauce, but it's like a juice. I think. I don't know. It's thick like applesauce. Anyway. All right, Cameron. Wait. Got a spoon? Pour it on there.
No, he's supposed to suck that. That's what that thing is.
Oh yeah. It's been about 12 years since I've had a baby. Yeah, so is he sucking it? Oh yeah. Is it good? Cameron, is it good? I guess so. He tearing it up. You ready to press some more? You want some more? He said, this right here is good, yeah. Give me some more. Alright, so now here we have carrot and sweet potato pea. I don't know how that's gonna play.
He likes sweet potato.
Some kind of veggies, but veggies are good, y'all. Alright, Cameron, here we go. This is carrot and sweet potato pea. Is good? You like it? I don't know. He kind of frowned. He's like,
but I'll try it again.
He said, I'll try it again. Yeah, he don't like that one. He likes everything but the carrot, sweet potato pea.
Mommy give you a bite, and then mommy take a bite. What's the apples? It's good.
Okay.
It's really good. It's
The apple and cinnamon.
and
This is what they say how they grow their food. It says they do no GMOs, no sprays. They use a natural fertilizers. So they put care in their products. They grow their own stuff and they, take care of it. So
it tastes great.
all right. So now try the apple and pear sauce.
One more bite, Bubba. Apple and pear. Okay. Wait a minute, sweet boy. Wait, sweet baby. Apple, pear. You take a bite first, and then mommy take a bite. Apple and pear.
He likes that one.
He's
This is my
smiling on
favorite.
that one.
This one's good.
He's like, yeah.
This is I like pear though.
He said, I like that one.
This tastes really good. And this has cinnamon in it as well?
It's just apple and pear.
Oh,
He
that's
likes
good.
that one.
Clapping. That's how he claps. He can't clap his hands, he claps it. Here you go, Bubba. You have another bite.
And Cameron is 9 months old.
And his mother is remain ageless.
Or if they have a baby.
Right. That's right.
She's grown. Okay.
That's right.
That's all we need to know.
But-
all right. Next is the.
Hey, sweet baby. Which one is it?
Which one is that one say?
This is the mango, carrot, banana, and pear.
Mango, carrot, banana, and pear.
Hold on, sweet boy. Okay. Uh-oh. Mommy didn't get it in your mouth. What else does it have in it, though? It tastes like it's organic. That's what it is.
It tastes healthy.
It tastes healthy. No, it just tastes like it might have one like
Cameron is happy.
Yeah, I like that one, Cam Cam. It reminds me of going to Garden Cove. You know how you walk into Garden Cove and it just has a smell?
Yeah.
That's what it smells like. This is good.
And now the one that Cameron did not like, the carrot, sweet potato, and pea.
All right, Cam Cam, you go first. You go first, Cam Cam.
He still does not like the carrot, sweet potato, pea. Neither does Mama.
It's just a bit bitter.
Yeah,
Yes, a little
it's
sharp.
better. Okay,
Yeah.
Cameron don't like it. He ain't smiling, he ain't talking. He don't like that one.
Yeah, that one is
In a corner.
it's fine. It just maybe it's a little sharp for babies.
Yeah.
And it made me go like that too, so it's a little sharp.
Which one was your favorite one?
My favorite is the pear apple. That's my favorite
Okay.
one.
This is Biodynamics. And they are on Instagram, Facebook. You guys can order your products from them. They have a website also. Let me find it. One of these. Yeah, here it is. Here's their website. You guys can order from there. All right.
I would purchase these products. They're tasty. I'm interested in getting Cameron the healthiest food possible. And because it's something I enjoy, I try to eat or at least taste everything that he does. So I enjoy it. I hope that he would too. I mean, our palates are different, but I mean everything that he liked, I liked.
Okay.
And everything that I didn't care for, he didn't care.
So what do you like about the product? What stands out that would, really makes you?
Well, it's an organic product. It seems like it's healthy. I don't taste with some other baby foods. It doesn't taste as fresh. It tastes what's the word?
Like it's been sitting up for a long time.
And possibly additives or something.
This
This tastes like what it says. It tastes like apples and pears, or it tastes like the mango banana. I taste each individual, thing. The texture is nice. It's not gritty, or it's like these are baby foods too, but some baby foods have weird consistencies. This is a nice one, so I would eat it personally.
Okay, great. Well, alrighty. Thank you once again.
Sure, absolutely, my pleasure. Kim.
Say bye. Kim.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, man. He like
Kim don't know how to say bye.
I know.
Pleasure.
Guys, and Chef Smith, eat to live and live what? Well.